Move over Suno because ElevenLabs has joined the music AI journey. Here, let's actually create some music with ElevenLabs. I want to test it out. This is my first test out because they literally just announced it 1 hour ago. So I just came up with a random prompt here, a Spanish pop rock song about a lost teddy bear. So you can do some variants if you want. Let's just leave it at 1 for now, and you can actually do the length. So I like that up to 4 minutes long. Yeah, let's just do auto to see what it comes up with, right? And we can generate. So if you don't know ElevenLabs, they do lots of text to speech, they do voice changers, sound effects you can create with AI. You can also do conversation agents, so like, where you actually chat to somebody. They work really well. I really like them. Something I've been playing around with today is their dubbing feature. So you can just dub any like video. So if you make YouTube videos or anything like that, you can dub your voice into another language. Anyway, I'll leave this down below in the first comment if you want to check this out, this tool. Let's see what we got here. We got some Spanish lyrics. Recuerdo tus abrazos de algodón. Okay, so let's see what we got.
Recuerdo tus abrazos de algodón, tus ojitos de botón que me dan calor. Jugábamos en tardes sin final, contigo he aprendido que es soñar. Pero un día te fuiste sin avisar, el cuarto se llenó de soledad. Osito perdido, ¿dónde estás? El niño te extraña sin parar. Eras mi amigo, mi verdad.
Okay, sounds pretty damn good. If I heard that on the radio, I probably wouldn't be able to tell if it was AI or not. Let's try something else. A melancholic tango from Argentina. Let's try that out. I was also thinking of how to like come up with cool prompts. So I was like, describe the song Pretty Fly for a White Guy without using the name of the song, right? But it didn't really come up. So what I want is a meta prompt, right? So I was like, I want a prompt that prompts something else, right? So let's have a look at that one too. Okay, so I usually always use ChatGPT to help me with prompting and stuff like that because I'm not going to write all this stuff out myself, am I? That would be crazy talk. So let's just generate this one too. So if you listen to the actual tweet that ElevenLabs just launched this with 17 minutes ago, now you can hear some of the songs. They're like really, really good, obviously, because they're showcasing this. So I thought it'd be cool to actually show different just off the fly. Let's just try them out here. Okay.
En la sombra de un viejo salón, mi corazón susurra tu nombre. Recuerdo el fuego de tu pasión y hoy lloro en frío abandono. Gira mi alma entre tus labios.
That is incredible. I mean, like, I definitely couldn't tell that's it sounds exactly like a person. Okay, I know many people maybe don't speak Spanish, so let's try something that's not Spanish. Let's try Pretty Fly for a White Guy. Let's see.
Combat boots, star decals on your jeans, tattooed a maple leaf. What does that even mean? Spam phone nihilism, soundtrack by pop, playlist rocking that spiky hair like you're in some punk ice. You scream rebellion lines from a bumper sticker page, but your backpack's brand new, not a single tear or a spray. Oh, wanna be rocker in Target. Oh, you're a faux punk rock magazine.
Okay, pretty good. There was a little bit of it said a tear instead of tear, so that's quite interesting. But apart from that, it was pretty cool. So I can easily download these tracks, right? So that's super cool. Okay, so you can also add different sections here if you want to add a new section in there and just generate it like that. And you can also add the styles, right? You can edit the styles here. So you can remove the snare drum there or whatever it is you want to do and just change it a little bit. So while this is all cool and all, it's like, I wonder, well, what can you actually use this for? Well, I often use AI music as background to my videos. I think it just adds this cool, like, lo-fi beat. So let's try one of those now. Okay, so I'll just try a cool piano lo-fi beat that I use in the background of my YouTube videos. I don't see anywhere where I can actually just say no words, instrumental, like you can with Suno. So yeah, I think maybe, I don't really want any words in this one, for example. So let's listen to this one. That's pretty cool. I would definitely use that one for some of the videos for sure. So it seems like you can also shorten them on the timeline here and probably just repeat them and stuff like that. So really cool that you can do this. AI is just it's just crazy at this point. So have a look at this down below. Check it out for yourself. Try and create some cool tunes. Do you know any more uses? If you have any more uses for a tool like this, I would be super interested to know. So leave a comment down below with how you're using AI music.